Okay, so how to make $100 every single day. With this video, guys, I will show you my proof how I make $100 even more every single day using a very simple method that you can earn daily $100 even more. So before I will show you the date. Today you can see today is Tuesday 24 to October 17. Okay, I will log into my PayPal account and will show you my proof from this system. Okay, like you see here, I have $200 in my PayPal account. I will stop this video now and will run my system and I will show you tomorrow my earning from this very simple system. So thank you for watching right now and see you tomorrow. Okay guys, welcome back to my new system, how to make $100 every single day, even more $100 every single day. Before I will show you my proof, I will visit time and date USA. Like you see, today is Wednesday 25 on October 17. This is day number one after I running my system. So let's go to my PayPal account. I will show you my proof how I make 100 even more $100 every single day. Okay, so you can see here I make $547 and this is absolutely in autopilot for newbies. Everyone can do it. Everyone can join this program, no matter where you are from or how old are you. Everyone can do it and everyone can earn this cash daily. I will stop this video right now and I will back tomorrow and will show you my proof with this system. So thank you for now and good luck. Okay guys, welcome back to my new system, how to make $100 every single day, even more $100 every single day. Today I will show you my proof from this system, but before I will show you the date. Let's make time and date USA and we will see today is Thursday 26 on October 17. Now I will log into my PayPal account and will show you my proof earning from this system, so we can see exactly my earning and how much I earning from this system. So you can see my earning right now is $657 from this system, absolutely autopilot system, autopilot earning for newbies. Everyone can join and everyone can make this money. I will stop this video right now and will back tomorrow with more proof earning, so you can see exactly that this system really working and everyone can join this system. Thank you for watching for now and see you tomorrow. Okay guys, welcome back to my new system, how to make $100 every single day. With this video I will continue with my earning proof. My proof and my earning is on autopilot earning system. I make from this system over $100 every single day. Today I will show you the date. So let's type in Google time and date USA. So you can see today is Friday, 27 October 17. So let's log into my PayPal account, and will show you my proof and my earning from this new system. This is a great system. Everyone can join this system. Like you see, over $1,000. This is fantastic. I love this system. This is a great system, and I will show you exactly how this system works. Okay, everyone can join this system. It's a newbie, and everyone can earn from this system. So I will show you how exactly this system work, and so you can make money too, like I did.